Welcome to Motor Updates. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Suzuki Shogun 160 cubic centimeters, a bold reinvention of a familiar name for a new generation of riders. Design and ergonomics. The 2025 Suzuki Shogun 160 cubic centimeters features sharp, aggressive styling with dynamic body lines and modern lighting elements. The riding position has been tuned for both daily commuting and spirited weekend rides, upright enough for comfort, sporty enough for control. The seat, tank and bar setup aim to deliver a balanced feel whether in city traffic or on open roads. Engine and performance. Under the skin, the Shogun now houses a 160 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that offers more punch than its previous iterations. Expect smoother pulls, better mid-range torque and improved responsiveness, ideal for the hustle of urban riding as well as occasional adventures. Suzuki has reportedly tuned it for a seamless blend of performance and efficiency. Chassis and handling. The new model rides on an upgraded frame designed to support the increased engine output while maintaining nimble maneuverability. Suspension components are calibrated for everyday use, absorbing road imperfections without giving up the feel of the road when leaning into turns. For brakes and tires, expect upgrades that match the sporty character: better stopping power, improved grip. Technology and features. Suzuki has equipped the Shogun 160 with a modern suite of features: updated instrumentation, likely digital, improved lighting, LEDs front and rear, and perhaps connectivity options. These additions bring the bike up to date and align it with current rider expectations for convenience, safety, and style. Value proposition and market fit. For riders looking for a motorcycle that bridges daily utility and weekend fun, the 2025 Shogun 160 cubic centimeters positions itself as a compelling option. It leverages a trusted nameplate while introducing meaningful upgrades. In markets like Pakistan, where the user is located, this kind of bike could hit the sweet spot of affordability, efficiency, and sporty appeal. Final thoughts. All in all, the 2025 Suzuki Shogun 160 cubic centimeters presents itself as an exciting update, familiar yet refreshed, practical yet spirited. If you're in the market for a motorcycle that can handle your city commute with style and still serve you well when you want to lean into some fun, this one's certainly worth a closer look.